What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're actually going to Spartanburg, South Carolina. We got to go pick up one car at a copart there, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So I just left the 7-Eleven, the first 7-Eleven on 85 when you enter into South Carolina. If some of my trucker friends are watching, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But like I said, we're on our way to Spartanburg. We gotta go pick one up in Copart. Myself a little rebel, guys. Got about an hour to drive. Probably like about 45 minutes. I've been driving for about 15 already. But it's not too far. It's just, if anybody knows, the roads down here by Gaffney, South Carolina are freaking horrible. Like the highway, they've been under construction forever. Since I can remember. I mean, I've lived in North Carolina for almost 8 years, and they've been in construction for about 8 years, maybe even more. But yeah, the roads there are horrible. That's the only downfall of coming down here, but I guess that's everywhere, right? But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive over there. I'm gonna drive to Copart. As soon as I get to Copart, I'm gonna pick you guys right back up, all right? So we made it. We made it to Copart. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of cars here that are messed up. Okay, guys, so we went ahead and got loaded up. I actually went ahead and got this Rogue loaded up, as you guys can see. This is the only car that we're taking from this location here. Now we just got to make sure that none of this stuff is going to fall off, because we are going to be going down the road. You always got to make sure nothing's going to fly off. Whenever I have a car that's wrecked from the front and then the hood actually like comes up, I always put it nose back, just because the wind won't catch it and it would just, you know, it won't fly up and hit the windshield. So that's why I always put them backwards if the wreck is in the front. Now we just got to go to the rear here and make sure that this hatch here is not going to open. I never really noticed that these things are made out of plastic. I thought they were always metal. That's crazy. These rear hatches are actually made out of plastic. It's kind of interesting. But as long as this thing doesn't open, this bumper looks like it has some damage, but it won't. It's pretty stuck on there. It's not going to fly away. But yeah, so that's the car that we're picking up. That's the car that I picked up here today. There's the big old dually. This is the big dually. Then we got the baby dually at home. But guys, check this Corvette out. I want to go check it out with you guys. Sometimes you find some interesting cars here. Like the other day, I wish I had it on camera. I wish I had recorded it for you guys. But the other day there was actually a black Supra here that was torn up. But I do want to go ahead and check this Corvette out. Let's check this sucker out. I think honestly these are all sold vehicles, but they'll still let you check vehicles out here if you really wanted to. Oh, that's crazy. I wonder if somebody wrecked it. It's probably like undercarriage, but man, I like the wheels on it. I'm pretty sure these actually came 5x120 as well. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is a C5. You guys let me know in the comment section below, but I really like it. These are one of those things where it's like a little junkyard find type thing. I'm pretty sure these actually did come LS as well. But yeah, you guys can see under there it's like all smashed up. I don't know if you guys can see, but that radiator actually probably has a good amount of undercarriage problems. So I don't know if that's a good vehicle to buy for the motor and all that, but the person who bought it knows why they bought it, and hopefully it all turns out great for them. I think one man's junk is another man's treasure. Remember that. That's pretty much the name of the game at Copart, because most of these vehicles are going to have some sort of issue. You just got to figure out how to fix it. I wonder if this is a Hellcat. It's something. It had a badge on it, but it looks like it was taken off. Looks like a Scat Pack badge. Yeah, it's just 392 Hemi. Nothing too crazy, but it is nice because it was wide bodied. But it looks like it took some pretty good damage here. But I like the wide body. I love these Challengers and Chargers in a wide body. It just looks so good. And then we got the Beamer on the 4Gs. Nah, it's not no. They're not no 4Gs. I don't know what they are, but it's a Beamer. You know what's something that I really want to get and that I would buy from Copart just because it's something that you can probably fix up and have fun with? It's a razor. I would love to have a razor one day, one of those Polaris 1000s. Man, it looks so freaking fun. It looks so fun to drive. I would like tear it up on one of them. Hopefully one day on the channel we'll have a razor and we can go tear it up and we can have some fun with it. But in the meantime, we just need to get to work. Sometimes whenever I pick one vehicle up, I wish I had a single car trailer. I really do want to make that investment. I want to go ahead and buy a single car trailer. Sometimes I just pick one single car up and it'll help me out with the fuel. It'll save more fuel instead of carrying around a 50-foot trailer everywhere just for one car, you know. I do it right now and it's not that bad because, you know, the truck can do it, but it would save a lot more fuel if I had a single car trailer and just haul that one vehicle, you know. And then whenever I'm hauling 2 or 3 vehicles, I just take out the 50-footer. But I'm back on the road, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive this hour and then I'm gonna pick you guys right back up when I get there, okay? Let's go ahead and unhook this sucker. So this is actually this strap right here actually has a lot of tension on it because this car does roll. So sometimes at the auction you have to put a strap on before they can let it go. But let's take these ones that have no tension on them off. Just throw that sucker right there. I'll put 3 on it because, as you can see, the wreck is right here and it won't let me put a strap through here, so I'll only put 3 straps on this sucker, but should be fine. Oh no, looks like I caught a nail, guys. That ain't good. Can you guys see that? I hope you guys can see that, but it looks like I caught a nail. I gotta get that patched. Guys, literally speaking of having a nail in my tire, on the way out, I freaking popped the tire. Oh, it looks like there was a nail there. And there's air coming out of somewhere here. I think it's right here. Tire's bad already. I think I'm gonna replace it. I gotta go find some more tires for this trailer. Just remember, everything happens for a reason. But this is actually where I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We got to go ahead and see those cars at Copart. You know, little junkyard finds here and there that are nice. I think they're worth taking a look at sometimes. But don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post. Let's get it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.